I have a number of health problems, and unfortunately, lot of the medical facilities, including the hospitals, have no communication aids for patients or users of the services. So I do use a loop system, but a lot of them are not available, even in some of the new build places. And the people often don't know I am deaf, and a standard thing is to say, come up close and we'll manage this together. I was helping a disabled neighbour, and I had a very bad fall and I broke my back, and I had to eventually go to a specialist clinic, but unfortunately I was told I had to telephone for appointments. I'm deaf, and it's not only the loudness of the message on the phone, it is the interpretation of it. That was not available to me. So I had to travel with 3 or 4 buses to the hospital, go and knock on the appointment's door and ask for an appointment. And that was tiring, time consuming, and quite frustrating. I have had some good experiences. I did have problems getting appointments in my GP surgery, and the senior GP retired, and the part-time GP, whom I'd known for many years, he is now in charge, and he has changed my life for the better. He has allowed me to make appointments over the counter, and 2 of the receptionists know me well, and he sees me because he's got everything at his fingertips. He knows me so well, and problems, he's only too happy to help me iron them out. He did actually, with the help of others, provide a portable hearing loop, both one in the treatment room and one in the consultation room. So that is brilliant. Extremely useful. In my mind, it's not only useful, it's desirable, and very people would depend on it. But as with everything, the message must be conveyed to people when they are seen in audiology, because people, especially the old generation, they're afraid that if they complain, their treatment will not be as good. Sometimes that is true, but on the whole, people are willing to help. I don't think hearing people appreciate what a disability the loss of hearing is.